Hey, good morning, Don here from Super Blast. We got the sidewalk. See all the way down where it turns black, and we're going all the way to there, self-explanatory. All the way around over there to that, where the lady's walking, where the black sidewalk is. We do have the gutter in the road. So we're gonna pre-treat everything, then we're gonna get after it. And we'll end the pre-treat down there and we'll start mini-mondoing from down there. All right, let's get after it.
Hello, I'm Bill Bailey, and I'm here with the band rehearsing for Sonosphere. And just to let you know, if Metallica can't make it for any reason, if Lars isn't there, we're ready. Ready? 3, 4.
Okay, as you can see, we got everything done. Mini-mondoed, rinsed off, the gutter in the road all the way to there. Stopped everything here. We rinsed everything off. Look at that sidewalk. It looks like brand new. And we're done all the way over to there. All right, now we're going to continue down the sidewalk, get all this done. Mini-mondo the California gutter, or whatever the hell you call that thing. Then we'll post-treat everything. We'll be out of it. I got a guy just pulled up, wants some his done. The guy next door, he's doing before and after, because the guy that did his did a crappy job. You can see all the surface cleaner marks. You know, that's the guy that lost his, that's the guy that just lost the customer, you know. You do shitty work, they're not going to call you back. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. We'll be back for a final review. Let's get after it. Boom. That looks good, huh? Everything looks really good. I want to point something out to you. I don't ever get to show you firsthand what I'm talking about, even though you know what I'm talking about when I'm talking about it. There's a guy over here that did these sidewalks. Now you can see what I'm talking about. We're walking towards the sidewalks. You see all those marks right there? I went ahead and just cleaned one of his squares here, but look at all the marks this guy's left. You know why those marks are there? You know why. No post-treat, no pre-treat. See my little sticky, icky post-treat. Sidewalks look great. See, this is a regular customer now, I guarantee it. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast pressure washing. We'll see you at the next job. Let's get after it. All right, here we are, job number 3. Got some algae on the fence there on the front of that gate. Just gonna hit it all. Got Deanie Weenie over there mowing the yard. We're gonna put you on the gun here today. Let's get after this fence, all right? Let's get after it. All right, let's fire up that V-Jit soap tip. Come on, Alice, give me some. Here it comes. See that? And it's just that easy. It looks brand new again. All right, let's go in the back and check this other stuff out. We'll be right back. All right, let's get some soap. There it is. All these little cocoon things here. Get all that stuff off. Already gone. Everything looks new. All the algae's off the cabinet over there as well. All right, you're gonna do a job, do it right. Let's get after the rinse. That's a good practice. Whenever you can do that, just do extra stuff if it's in your path. Customer appreciates it, and they call you back. Imagine that. Look how nice it looks now. All that black pitting is gone. These are the worst sections right here. Up there. Look at the dullness. See that right there? Control. There it is. That's a good practice. Whenever you can do that, just do extra stuff if it's in your path. Customer appreciates it, and they call you back. Imagine that. Look how nice it looks now. All that black pitting is gone. These are your worst sections right here. Up there. Boom, boom. Bingo!
Yeah, you got 8 tea and 1 sweet tea. You want a glass of sweet tea?
No, no sugar.
No sugar.
Can't have no fucking sugar either. You're good.
That's okay.
Just gotta rinse this off real quick and I'm done. It's a little better, huh?
Much better.
All right, folks, that's how you do it. Another job well done by Super Blast. See you tomorrow.